Hi, thanks for your interest in the SERVO 1640 engine lathe. It has 26 inches through the gap, and the model number is AY073. It's inch metric, and the vintage is 1998. And let's take a look at it. If I didn't know better, I would think this was new. It's that nice. Look at the waves real good. And it does come with quite a bit of tooling. The 2-axis DRO, follower rest. There's the steady rest. And the fans go on. Taper attachment. The voltage is 220, 440, your choice.
That's 36. It does have a brake that boards in the way. 185.
This is in super shape. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 801-531-9500. Thanks.